Here's Bruce Wayne.
Yeah, you want him to come to you all the time, right? That's why you gotta be nice.
He cracked her toe.
Yep.
Oh my god. It's Rick rolling.